Did you know there's a towering animal, but it turns out it can't sneeze its entire life? Yes, giraffes. Their necks are long, their bodies are strong, but there's one strange thing they can't do. While humans can sneeze thousands of times in their lifetime, giraffes, zero, because their respiratory tract and body position make sneezing nearly impossible. Imagine dust, pollen, or small pieces of dirt get in their nose, and they can't expel it by sneezing like we can. How would that feel? This fact astounds scientists. An animal that tall, yet so far behind us in a simple matter, sneezing. If giraffes can't sneeze, what other animals have strange secrets like this? Subscribe now to stay updated on other interesting facts.